Dear kids, this is again a small video of how to find the cos ratio of any angle given. Let's start. In my previous video you have seen we have done finding sine ratio, and in that we noticed that whatever difference was there between the minutes, that mean difference we used to add to the main number. But here the mean difference, whatever you will get it, you have to subtract from the main number. Let's see how we can do. For example, if we want to find cos 49, okay, okay, let's do one more thing, because cos 49 I have till 44. You have another page in your book also, so that is till 90 we have to go. So we can by far take 44 तक ही मेरे इसमें है, तो मैं 44 तक ही जाती हूँ. Let's see what we can do is, okay, let's do, we have to find suppose cos okay, we have to find suppose cos, we have 3 degree and 11 minutes. So up 3 degree, so how you will find 3 degree? So in your degrees you have it here 3 degree. So 3 degree and 11 minutes. But in your minutes, see if you have 0, 6, 12, 18. But you don't have 11. But which is the nearest one? 12. So I'll go for 0 degree. Sorry, 3 degree and 12 minutes. Okay. So I'll go for 0.9984. ये आ गया आपका 3 डिग्री और 12 मिनट्स का. क्लियर? बट व्हाट डू यू वांट? 3 डिग्री 11 मिनट्स, मतलब 1 मिनट का डिफरेंस है. 1 मिनट का डिफरेंस आप यहाँ से आएंगे. लेट्स सी, 1 मिनट का डिफरेंस कुछ है ही नहीं. सो इट इज़ 0. So the difference is 0. That means your answer will be this only. So difference is 0. You don't have to do anything. No subtraction, no addition. 0 की वैल्यू ही नहीं है. तो मीन डिफरेंस जहाँ पे 0 है तो उसका तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. You can keep it as it is. So your answer is 0.9984. ठीक है. Then you have suppose if you want to go for all the values I have taken off. Okay. Suppose if you want to go for let's go for any degree, I'll take it random. Cos 8 degree and we have 32 minutes suppose. So 8 degree and 32 minutes, how will go? तो आप अपने 8 डिग्री में zoom करेंगे and we'll find where is 8 degree here. So we'll go for 8 degree and 32 minutes. मतलब नियर बाय मैं 30 ले सकती हूँ. ठीक है. तो I'll go for 8 degree and 30 minutes. So where is 30 minutes? Here. So my value is 0.9890. Okay. So cos 8 degree and 32 minutes I want, and I have found cos 8 degree and 30 minutes. So the difference is 2 minutes. From my table I'll see the difference in 2 minutes में यहाँ पे क्या है? 1 है. But this time you have to subtract this 1. You don't have to add this 1. In my previous video what you have seen, जब हम साइन के रेशियोज करते हैं तो जो मीन डिफरेंस होता है वो हम ऐड करते हैं. बट जब भी हम लोग कॉस्ट की फाइंडिंग करते हैं रेशियोज, तो मीन डिफरेंस हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो फ्रॉम दिस वैल्यू यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 हियर. So this will be 8. Getting my point? So your value will be something like this. So only difference between sine and cos is the mean difference here it is subtracted and in your sine it is added. Nothing so different. Tables को अच्छे से देखोगे तो आपको आ ही जाएगा. I'll give you some practice worksheets for this so that you can be more perfect in finding the ratios. Okay? God bless.